Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2019 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra with only 5,266 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes well equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, intercom, navigation, and reverse. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Tri-Glide offers dependable power with 87 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and rider comfort, the Tri-Glide would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.